Jeez. That was sketchy as heck. Bro, that was loud. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today we are white fishing in below zero temperature. Like, it is cold. Like, cold out. No matter how high I turn up the heat. I want to say it's about -10, -15. Just got set up, drop my bait down. Hopefully we catch some whitefish today. I'm out here with my buddy Nathan. There's people around us, so I gotta stay quiet. That being said, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be a cold outing, and hopefully we can limit out, get the heck out of here. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out in the water. Peace. I do have my GoPro out. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting about the whole having a camera facing the XLR, and that's what I got going on at the moment. Hopefully it works out. Sometimes it's a little glitchy depending on the lighting, so it is a little challenging because we do have a slight current. Okay, there's a slight current going on here. Got him. Nice. It's just on my phone too. Here you got one, guys. I'm not recording on my small guy. There we go. Perfect eater right here. Dude came out fast. Okay, chip. This whitefish, small guy. Dang, I wasn't recording. I didn't get the hook set, but there goes one. And fast too. Still there. So freaking finicky. There he is. There we go. It's a nice one too. Ooh, that's a really nice one. There's another one down there. Jeez. Man, you've been hyping up this whole time. There's two down there actually. Dude, I got a whole freaking... Nathan. What? There's a whole school down there. Yeah, dude. Hit it on the drop shot. There's a whole freaking school. Chill. Whole freaking school down there. Alright, guys. There you go. Nice whitefish. Going in the bucket. Bleed them out later. Oh. Shit. That's right next to me. Jeez. Gosh. Dude, that's sketchy as heck. There's a fish here. That's a nice fish. Finally. There's another one down there. That's a big fish. Oh, so subtle. Go, boys. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour or so and we haven't marked a fish yet. I'm gonna make a move. We're gonna go a little deeper to 28 feet of water and hopefully find something there. I don't know, just gonna have to hunt for them, I guess. So the current died out and we're just not marking anything. There's just nothing here. Jeez. So we're gonna go ahead and move. See how that goes. Stay tuned. Bro, what the hell? I just dropped this down. The fish picked it up. Whoa. I dropped it down, the fish picked it up right away. What the heck? No, that was cool. I just dropped it down. Nice. Dude, that was crazy. I just dropped it down. I didn't even have time to set up yet. What the freak? That didn't make any sense. Oh no, no, no. Hit it. Got it. That's it. There we go. That's a nice fish. Look at that go. Yeah. Hit on the drop shot. Nice. Holy cow, look at it guys. On the drop shot. What a, whoa, barely hooked too. Chill. Net. Nice. Go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Slow down. So you get back to back. You're still down there. Smack. Got him. It's 2 back to back, dude. Holy cow. Nice. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a very nice one. That was awesome size. Jeez. So feisty. He came up for the drop shot. That's crazy. Why do you deny it? Oh, there he is, there he is, there. He's back, he's back. Flicking really hard. Oh my gosh, he's right on. He's right on. He's staring at my bait. Oh dang it. He's still... There's two on me. There's two on me. Oh my gosh, they're both on me right now. On the drop shot and the bottom bait. Oh my god. That was crazy. Dude, I thought I was going to double up. Oh my gosh. There's a school on me. There's a freaking school on me. You guys see that? Got him. Yeah. Yeah, I got him. Jeez, man. Dude, I thought I was going to double up. That's crazy. Oh, it's another nice fish. It's another nice whitefish right there, boys. Oh, bleeding a little bit, but it's okay. Here we go. That's how you do it. Whoop. On Goat Minnow. Got E's so far, guys. Oh, there goes, there goes. Got him. Yeah, let's go. That's a nice one too. That's a nice one. Oh my god. Thank you to this rod. Look at that. It just, that way they can't shake the hook off, you know. It's so cool. We're on the 9th fish, guys. We're almost done. Oh, he's a fighter. Ooh, he's a giant too. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh. On the go, boys. Okay, chill, relax. Oh, that's a big fish. That's another nice whitefish right there, boys. Holy cow, man. Almost 30 feet of water, just spanking them. It feels so good. Look how shiny and crystal they are. It's amazing. So now, we got one more to go. Gotta hurry because we're gonna. Well, guys, it doesn't look like I'm gonna end with a last fish, right? It's just been complete shutdown. There's just nothing showing up anymore. It is 12 o'clock, so I don't think the bite's gonna pick up anytime soon, right? Until later in the evening. So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this whole setup thing of me using the GoPro on the flasher works out for you guys. I tried my best to demonstrate the whole, how the fish is reacting to my bait and, what I'm doing to get them to strike it. Other than that, I think this is it for whitefish. This may or may not be my last outing. It depends. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It's come down below. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. I have something really exciting to show you guys, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Peace.